Some stories from the state of West Bengal. A clash broke out between members of the TMC and the left student wing All India Democratic Students Organization in Siliguri today during a student strike that was called by SFI in all universities across West Bengal. Now, the strike is called against the recent Jadavpur University incident. West Bengal Education Minister Bratya Basu was allegedly attacked by members of the SFI and also ISA, which is All Indian Students Association at Jadavpur University on Saturday. Protesters demanded immediate student union elections, ghirawed the minister and vandalized his vehicle, shattered his windscreen. Bratya Basu had visited the campus to attend the annual general meeting of the West Bengal College and University Professors Association. But while leaving, he attempted to engage with the agitating students but was surrounded by nearly 100 protesters who showed him shoes and smashed the rearview mirror of his vehicle. That's what news agencies have reported. Minister was later taken to the state-run SSKM hospital after suffering cuts on his left hand from broken glass.
With respect to the Jadavpur University incident where clashes broke out between the state education minister, where he was heckled, and also the student union there, the SFI student union there, the protests also happened, and there's a case of arson also that has happened. 7 FIRs have been filed, and even with respect to this incident, protests have broken out in the national capital as well. This is right outside the Bengal Bhavan in New Delhi, wherein student bodies, left-leaning student bodies of SFI and ISA are protesting. As you can see, there's a lot of police deployment here as well with respect to safety concerns and not allowing the student bodies to move further towards the Bengal Bhavan. The road has also been cordoned off by these barricades here, and the students have these placards that read on them that the state education minister Bratya Basu must resign. This is what the placards of these students read here. Let us get talking to some people here. We're being joined by the All India Joint Secretary of SFI. Thank you for speaking to NDTV. We understand that your main demand at this point is the resignation of the state education minister. However, this larger incident that has panned out, even the education minister is saying that even he was heckled and there was a case of arson as well in JU. How do you see this,
See, the thing is that everything that has happened, it has happened in front of all of you. There are enough medias, available there. So if anything, that whatever Mr. Bratya Basu is saying, if half of that was true, then all of you could actually show it to the audience. But we all have seen that the way the car of Mr. Bratya Basu, the education minister, how it rolled upon that one student who was trying to stop and trying to talk. And you tell me, if I cannot speak to my education minister, and that too for what? The demand was very simple, that from 2019 onwards, there had not been any kind of election in Jadavpur University. If my education minister has come to my campus, and if I as a student are trying to talk to my minister, is it a crime? Is because of that I can be killed? As a responsible individual, as a person who is sitting in a seat of power, I think it is shameful that rather than accepting his guilt, rather than accepting his accountability and stepping out of his position, he's trying to blame the students who are doing nothing but just putting their rightful demand.
My colleague Saurabh Gupta joins us with more details on this. Saurabh, is this the usual SFI versus TMC violence that we often see in Bengal, or is there more to this time?
Well, this incident, of course, took place on Saturday, and this morning, and there was a post on the X handle of TMC MP from Jadavpur, Shayoni Ghosh, and she shared a video there where the video shows students trying to block the convoy of the education minister, the windscreen being attacked, and also at that point the education minister's car is trying to get out of the whole university, and at that point, obviously, there's also a ruckus. So that's what happened. Now, obviously, the SFI is holding a protest as well. SFI is holding protests saying that one of their, one of the students who was affiliated to the protest was also injured by the car. But at this point, though, it remains a TMC versus left issue, though the BJP is also protesting, saying that, this kind of, campus violence should stop. And the BJP is also holding a rally in Kolkata today from Gol Park towards Jadavpur University. So they won't be allowed to go up to Jadavpur University, but till some time, some distance from here is where they'll be allowed to go. And you see, this is again become an issue where there is a lot of political positioning as well around this issue.